Isonde yatebetenga headline yagenga njama za Ruto kuzima Matiang'I. Ine headline ya Taifa Leo gazeti ya Mwisonde, njama za Ruto kuzima Matiang'I. Na hati konjira oroji nyinge scholars na barigete bantabang'aini barigete bakohereza injira muraibuense ya Kenya William Ruto aligeti kulimi Matiang'I. Na chiro gutamba kurigirira buya na rudinge kana kya mang'ana ege munya Matiang'I achakire kogenda nsi. No naye kero kurigirira mugambi kurwase karansti na bakoranga Matiang'I ochesire nsake. Ameenda chini ya maji sana. Ekara hajitiriria Gusii ale kogenderera ne kirundo keria. Ange bintu byabiri lakini ochire nsake. Lero. Timu ya Kenya kwanza ne nsemo ya Gisusu. Lero ndo tukwana iga. Kakete baiki ororo. Yuko babuga te tu atu yuko kwani abantu. Ono korra magana aria empowerment ka chagasira. Ozene chibesi yake yako singa kiti gotaringa no kukagira tu lakini bono bawo jaba bugate kentonga no gutarira abantu mashinani kubakwania ne campaign ire chini ya maji. So na wetaba kwani bana bakwera sababu tebanga neba naye Matiang'I uiko obe confused na dora agenda zake because onyora abantu baba kunyakurangiri kuchase mubiso uri ukariuka grupu yentanga yachire yakabiri yachire yagatatu yachire yakane yachire bakabara ibachire azo mubiso anaga toma itingi bakwana bacha in the name of amagenderero naboko nyaro kwakuro moyo wachire nsake. So can we say Matiang'I uchakire kwa chingoro
again take tangani na takagoteba a very good example oisekoligeli wa Munyoro almost every day in Gomoratore in news. Almost every day. So that means he's very aggressive as a managed campaign. The other day we attended a meeting in Matiang'I, Libuoye scheme. MCS Kisii County Bonds, we were there. Tukamukwanera, tukamweresa. Tukamotebinga at the moment right now we doesn't need you here in Gusiiland. Tukamote into twegantu bwate every reason you go ligeli Chikura. Iko by now we expect torole Matiang'I kali bogere. Kali Western. Kali chinse chonzi kuja paka Mombasa agende nonye Central Kenya. Ali Chikuroro. Erinde amanya kurwatu aromondo communication. And I think muchando monene Matiang'I minta bwate tarali abantu ba communication.
By then social media ya era ile complete.
So Korigia obo president we kotu arabantu bagokora communication very very smart.
Sure.
Mangana TikTok, amangana WhatsApp, amangana Facebook. Yeah. Whether you like it or not. Because abantu mbale chinse mubatanya okora lakini once bagokora ngoyo nere Matiang'I okonyoro gwanjira osego. Look at what Gachagua is doing. Gochueta kuumera Gachagua TikTok. Have you ever seen Matiang'I TikTok?
Baga TikTok mbakandiri naro Gachagua watu mukutano TikTok.
Unaturega I can tell you for free. We expecting a Matiang'I are very active in politics. As much as we understanding a Matiang'I tanya ko inivor wero monyana ase siasa lakini bono being that thing anacho inetioro lazima amke. Because you want to go deal nera I can tell you for free. Neskima.
He's very smart.
Very smart in politics. Bono tigato tige kungainuna. Ruto is not asleep. Adigere tiga manyethenga maadui wangu wananipima. Bona abo that is why.
Get 15% off your new honey lip gloss using promo code honey15.
Na indenta itago debisiase yaboniga. Ubutaka no bonga ase chinyomba cy'abantu. Muntu onde bwenshi ojiko imuki siringi 200 300 aho mongino kalega ari sabu. Otabuga ati chibanda besa gutonda chibanda mukaboyo. I can tell you for free ngomongino ina baratero muntu ideal month. I went to State House. I witness omo president yo gora chi meeting una onegere tu asogete kuruona akora chi meeting na bantu ba bechai abarimi more than 500 I'm told baada ukorukuru assembly everybody had something in the pocket. After 2 days nabwate meeting igali nabalimu nkwabaroje. Nkwaroje bakabalimu bako beke byaro Chikura ngatuta. Lakini nduna baishimwa ba Kisii county and na mwaro rebije tokolete ngatuta. We went there strictly for development. No nyine kiro mo speak Nyamira go temo go tebinga tigato mogoki ko morki byaro ibere turikata. Tulisema we never came here for that.
Na mugambe kintu nataka turikirika iga. Nigo wanjira dire Matiang'I game ya ni sera sababu.
I can tell you for free Matiang'I no yoito lakini you need to wake up. Bono ga kinta ito go boli. Twenzi we are ready to support Matiang'I. But the question is a fact nearing and to tweka nto wesana we need go every nature coverage. And among the reasons why we were at the State House, mbuya no ena basigisi bali Matiang'I kumba Abagusi abambatu anjite erinde to every basigisi bakabatu bwatese na into na litoranyara go.
But my question is mambo kwale nataka ile gutwara communication working nande basai bamaite gaswa okora mambo kwande ile Igoro yamagana yo gutaresiko why is he not implementing tari ni mwamaro siri singe no mwachira ali mwamwitira mo.
Another thing, which kind of team umuske Matiang'I agotarnera? Which kind of team umuske Matiang'I agotarnera?
Okay.
Oise Korigia wa Munyoro at the moment na wata ba senator bare sitting agotarnera. Na wata including abaga bana bare sitting agotarnera. Besides Kibagendi na Onyonka from Kitutu Judge South iga. Mbando kina ende bare sitting agotanoro. You know we need to wake up. We need to wake up. Kanga wikira boni go ligiro mugaba na ida go seno yo Kericho. Oligiro mugaba na nonyeno yo Rift yo kwerende Northeastern. Bagaba na babere batatu istukolinde bako mojoine as function chaye. Abantu bajaga ufira kiyo muntu ye network ya yabere.
Bantu bane bakora sawa tabanga siasa njira chaka ngegota bwene tiko soka bono lakini ngurigiriria nsemo ya serikali baro bagenda tekumyoka batukana.
Ndi swali ngo boli mwatebere siasa trajaka. Ngirende mwato bolo linga ngitwaje dokora State House. Onye siasa trajaka. So that means onye siasa trajaka oigato toro before magendo. Ngirende mogoto bolo linga ngitwaje dokora State House. Onye siasa trajaka.
Wacha matakeli ngure na tarasi kakitari